welcome back to Simple Solutions lesson 120. Number 1, circle the picture that shows 10 as 40 divided by 4. So I'm going to be looking at 40 divided by 4. I'm going to be looking for 4 equal groups, and I should have a total of 40. So let's see here. This picture has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups already. Now this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 equal groups here. Now if it says that shows 10, so in each group I should have 10, because 40 divided by 4 equals 10. Remember, 40 represents your total, and 4 represents your number of groups. My answer 10 is how many are in each group. So I'll check this one, make sure there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I would say that this picture represents this equation. Number 2, the number line is divided into 4 equal parts. Yep, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill in the missing fractions. I could look at my pattern. 0, 1, 2, should be 3, 4. Could look here, since it's in 4 equal parts, my fraction should be a fourth, because it's cut into fourths, 4 equal parts, 4. 3, turn to page 297 of your hands-on pages. Measure the worm, popsicle stick, mouse, pencil, and green bean to the nearest quarter inch. This line plot starts at the 3-inch mark. Use X's to add the data. Like I said, if you have a ruler, feel free to do this. Add your data, mark it with an X. If not, you don't have a ruler, feel free to skip it. 4. Kavi had a collection that included 8 different types of marbles. Okay, that's some important information there. He had 8 of each type. So 8 of each type. 8 marbles, 8 different types of marbles, 8 of each type. Until he traded 14 marbles for some baseball cards. So if he traded 14 marbles, he got rid of 14. How many marbles did Kavi still have? Write 2 number sentences and solve for X. Okay, it's a 2-step problem. 2 number sentences. 8 of each type. 8 different types of marbles, which brings me to a multiplication equation. 8 times 8, which equals 64. He lost 14 because he traded for some baseball cards. So you take 64, take away 14 equals blank. You could feel free to solve that on your own. 5. Round 317 to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. Well, the nearest 100 would either be 300 or 400. But it all depends on this number here, which is your hundreds place. If it's greater than 5, you round up. If it's less than 5, you round down. It's less than 5. So 317 is closer to 300. So 5 would be 300. 6. Find the lengths of sides S and T on the rectangle to the right. So I have my S and my T here. My length is 8 meters, so that means across from it will also be 8 meters. 6 meters is at the top here, it's my width, which means T would also be 6 meters. Okay. 7. A pentagon has blank sides. How many sides does a pentagon have? If you don't remember, flip back to your help pages, because it's there. 8. Circle the picture that shows 27 divided into 3 equal groups. Alright, 27 is my total. 3 equal groups. Should have 3 equal groups. 3 groups. Well, this one has equal groups, but there isn't 3 equal groups. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, can't be this one. This has 3 equal groups. I could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like they're even. This also should be 9. It's going to be this picture that matches that equation. Okay. 9. 600 take away 243. Get 600. Take away 243. I could multiply, or borrow. This would become a 5. This is a 10. I need to borrow from it. Makes it a 9. This is now a 10. 10 take away 3. 9 take away 4. And 5 take away 2. Or I could do the trick where I take away 1 from each one of those numbers. So 600 take away 1 would be 599. And 1 take away 243 would be 242. The answer I get here should match the answer I get here. Either way, however you want to do it, is fine. It works. 36 divided by 4, or you could say 4 times something equals 36. 11. 20 times 8. 2 times 8. I get that answer. Add a 0. 8 times 2 is 16. Add a 0 to make 160. 12. 519 plus 326. 13. 3 times 2 times 4. Whatever's in parentheses means that you need to do that first. So 2 times 4 equals 2, 4, 6, 8. And don't forget to multiply 3 by 8. Because you have to bring this down. We're not finished yet. So when you find this, you'll get your answer. 14. Give the bar graph a title. We have been doing these in the past lessons. Number the bar graphs by 2's. Fill in the bar graph to match the data in the tally. How many more sea turtles were spotted in August and July? So it needs a title. We need to put our data in. We have July. They already put it for us. July, August, September, October. So you fill this out, and it says to number the bar graph by 2's. So we would do 2, this would be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Looks like 10. That makes sense because over here it only goes up to 10, my highest amount, 510. And so I'd fill this bar. If it's a bar graph, you're making bars that look like this. So July had only 1, 2, 3, 4. So put it up here. And you could color this in if you want. It's up to you. And you do the same with the rest. You go through each month and make sure you make your bar graphs. That's about it for this lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If not, thanks for tuning in.